What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 6th of October. It is a Sunday morning on the East Coast. We are taking a look here this morning at Aerodrome Finance / the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart, and this is the data from Coinbase, ticker symbol AERO USD. This is the US dollar pair. Aerodrome Finance, guys, quiet weekend, little red day yesterday on Saturday. We're up just over 0.25%. This morning, 0.29% in the green. A couple things to talk about here. I want to welcome all the new subs to the channel. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the viewership. Pretty large percentage not yet subscribed. So go ahead and do that. Turn the bell on if you want to be notified when we upload these videos. They are usually out in the mornings. It seems like the weekends are slightly later than the weekdays. Anyways, a couple things here. We still have not breached a new high yet. We still have a high for the move here from the 27th of September, 129.887. We have resistance at 128, 128.300, and 129.450. That's our price levels for resistance. So the 128, 129 level worked again. Real quick recap here. It worked back here as well, marking the top, and was took a long time. So this was back in May, and it was not met again until September. We have two new price targets above the market that we want to talk about here. Those are 132.35. So if I stretch this out a little bit here for you guys to see, so that's the 132.35. 134.0 is a new level, guys. We have a new price level, 134.0, 134.0. So 132.35, 134.0 is new. That was not in the previous Aerodrome Finance video. 144.69 is a new level as well. That was in the previous video. So for starters, we need to break above the 27th of September. That marked the high of the move, 129.887. That will take us, I should say, up to the 132.35 for starters. We'll see if we find resistance there or not. I expect we will for a brief period of time. Again, depends on Bitcoin and what happens over there. But that's what I'll be looking for. 134 is a new level. That's obviously higher than 132. That is based on some recent action. I think that will come into play pretty quick. And then also up here, that's when things start to get real exciting. 144.69. 144.69. Let's run some percentages up there from current trading, which is $1.16, almost $1.17 for this 6th of October. Here we go, 132, 13.3, 134 is almost 15%, 144.69, 23%, almost 24%. Again, let's talk about that. So we have 13% move, 14, almost 15, and then a 23 to 24% move. That will cover our new recent upside targets / resistance levels when they get there. So exciting times ahead. Again, we're not going to ignore that this is so far a lower high. So we need to break above that, as well as the 27th of September high. What we do have going for us here is this market is still in a uptrend. Even though we have a lower high, markets will turn just like that though. So let's not ignore that. This is just a quick recap from the previous video. Lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So far, lower high. So let's not ignore this, because what can follow can be a lower low. Okay, we're very close to putting a new high, but The markets can turn just like that. You saw it back in here. Let me show you an example so you can see what I'm talking about. So we had this basically V-bottom rally here into a major lower high, pulled back here, higher low. Okay, maybe this thing's getting ready to trend again and break out to the upside. Rallied up, looks good. Lower high came in right at resistance. Market collapsed. Where are we at right now? Higher low, so far lower high. We're pulling back. Is the market going to 1, collapse? 2, break out to our new targets to the upside? So that's why it's important to keep an eye at what's going on here. Maybe not so important for the longer term holder looking for, X price target, but somebody who is recently in this and, doesn't want to hold through something, potentially something that goes like this. Just be aware of what's going on here. That's all I got to say. So, all right, guys. Appreciate you watching. Of course, not financial advice. Once again, those new price levels are 132.35, 134, 144, 69. 132, 134, 144, 69. Keep your eyes on the highs from Friday. Keep your eyes on the highs from the previous Friday, the 27th of September. We want to make new higher highs, so this uptrend will continue. Quiet weekend overall. Big breakout here over resistance if you're new to the channel and you are not aware of that. That's that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And please share your price targets, whatever you think the markets are going to do, down in the comments for Aerodrome as well as Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting just below resistance at 62,206.75, 62,206.75. Right here, guys, resistance. Next levels above that would be anywhere from 63.7 to 64.3. And then obviously the highs over here from the 27th, which is that Friday. And then next level, 68,748. So a couple of roadblocks ahead before we can get this thing moving. Let's also not forget, we've mentioned this before, that Bitcoin is just in one big sideways with a downward bias consolidation here going back to basically March. So we've been in a choppy sideways market since March. It's a long time. So, if and when, I think it's just a matter of, when I think it will happen. When this thing does break out, it's going to go on a massive trend to the upside. We should see 6-figure Bitcoin, which will carry over into something like Aerodrome and really allow it to break out into new all-time highs. So, exciting times ahead, okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and join us here on the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Appreciate it. All links down below, of course. Not financial advice.